Fuel prices across India have reached an all-time high, recording a surge for the fifth time in a week. The rates for diesel as well as petrol have soared to as high as rupees 90 per litre in some of the cities. And while the surge in fuel prices is clocked at an average of 25 paise per litre in the national capital, other metropolitan cities recorded an average surge of somewhere between 22 paise to 26 paise per litre. To get a sense of the situation on ground, I am now being joined by our two reporters, Mayuresh Ganpate from Mumbai and Neha Hebale from Bengaluru. I'll go to Mayuresh first to get more details on this. So Mayuresh, what is the status of prices in Mumbai as far as fuel prices are concerned, and also what are the kind of problems that the commuters are facing because of soaring fuel prices?
Absolutely, Gauri. But before that, I'll tell you that today's fuel price, if you talk about the petrol, is somewhere around 92.37, and if we talk about the diesel price, it is somewhere around 88.40 paisa. So you can see that it directly affects the budget of a common man, because whenever they refuel their car or the bike, then certainly it affects the budget. We'll ask someone, आप मुझे बताइए ये जो कीमतें बढ़ती है पेट्रोल की, अभी वापस से बढ़ी, अभी 92 रुपीज़ हुआ है, कितना असर इसका होता है, कितनी दिक्कत होती है आप लोग?
बहुत दिक्कत होती है इसमें तो। अभी बिजनेस एकदम डाउन हो गया है, वो हिसाब से पेट्रोल डीजल सब बढ़ते हुए जा रहा है दिन पर दिन, तो उसमें तो बहुत मुश्किल होते जा रहा है आगे जीने के लिए।
और इसका असर आपके कुछ डेली बजट पे पड़ता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ता है, कैसे कैसे आदमी अपना रोलिंग चला रहा है वो आदमी को ही मालूम।
पिछले हफ्ते से अगर देखें तो 10-20 पैसा, सॉरी माफ़ कीजिए, पैसा ये बढ़ रहा है फ्यूल प्राइस, तो कैसे आप उसको टैकल करते हैं, किस प्रकार से एडजस्ट करते हैं, फिर किस तरह से एडजस्ट किया जाता है बजट?
टाइम तो बहुत मुश्किल से एडजस्ट हो रहा है, कभी हो रहा है कभी नहीं भी हो रहा है, क्योंकि महंगाई बहुत बढ़ती जा रही है।
We heard from this one of the person who just refilled his bike, and he clearly said it becomes very difficult to readjust the things, to adjust the daily budget, because whenever petrol or the fuel prices hikes by 10 paisa, 5 paisa or 20 paisa, it directly affects their daily budget, because they daily use their vehicle to go to office for commute. But if there is an increase in the fuel prices, so certainly it will affect their budget.
That's right, Mayuresh. Actually, the final brunt has to be faced by the commuters, the middle class, of course, as fuel prices rise. But if we talk about the trajectory of fuel prices in the city of Mumbai, because we are seeing that across all metro cities, Mumbai is the worst hit when it comes to fuel prices. Here we are seeing that petrol has crossed 92 rupees mark, while diesel is hovering around 82 rupees per litre. If you can just take us through the trajectory of fuel prices, because we have been seeing a gradual increase in the prices of fuel since December. What has been the trajectory like in the city of Mumbai?
Absolutely, the trajectory, if you see, it's almost upwards only, because last month when we checked, it was somewhere around 90.89 paisa. It was that was the cost. Then we saw early this month in January, it has crossed the 90 mark, and it was somewhere around 91.20-30 paisa. And now at the end of this, we can see that last week of January, it has crossed that also, somewhere around 92.37. So you can see it's an upward graph which is going, and that's why even the person whom we spoke with, he clearly said that it is affecting the daily budget. So you can see the trajectory is going upwards only.
Right, Mayuresh. Stay with us. I'm now being joined by Neha Hebale, who is reporting live from Bengaluru right now. So, Neha, we saw how it is a matter of concern for the people in Mumbai and across the country, of course. What is the situation in Bengaluru right now? What are the current prices as far as petrol and diesel are concerned? And also, how are people, more importantly, are coping up with these high fuel prices?
Well, as of now, we understand that the petrol prices over here in Bangalore, are at 88.59, almost touching 89 rupees. And, you can see, but that despite that, people are, of course, dependent on their own vehicles. We're seeing a rush at the petrol bunks across the city. And, having said that, of course, also keeping in mind the fact that the diesel prices are currently at about, 80.49. So, talking to, of course, some of these people, we might actually be able to understand from them how, if at all, this is going to have any impact on them, and whether, of course, it's actually going to change their day-to-day, expenses. So if I could just ask you, we're seeing the prices of petrol shooting up almost on a daily basis. How is this going to impact you?
No comment, sir.
Okay, all right. Well, he's actually not got any comments on this right now, but we do understand, of course, at this point that people largely are dependent on their own vehicles over here, especially now. So we'll have to wait and see, how exactly this does go forward. But from yesterday to today, if we're talking about, there's not been much of a change. But from the past 3 days to today, if you see, there has been a slight increase. We're looking at nearly about 26 paisa that has actually gone up in the past 2 days. So we'll really have to wait and see how, of course, this pans out for all of these people across the country.
That's right, Neha. Thank you for giving us that update from ground in Bengaluru. So two cities, we are seeing how the high fuel prices are actually causing a lot of concern as far as commuters are concerned. And of course, everybody is looking at states and center to take a concrete action to basically arrest these soaring fuel prices.